Is Wix easy to use? Yes, Wix is one of the easiest website building platforms to use, especially for beginners. Its drag-and-drop editor allows you to design and customize your site without any coding knowledge. You can simply select elements like text, images, buttons, or videos and place them wherever you want on the page. This intuitive interface makes it simple to create a professional-looking website in just a few hours. Wix also offers a wide range of pre-designed templates that are fully customizable, so you don't have to start from scratch. Additionally, features like e-commerce tools, booking systems, and SEO settings are integrated into the platform, making it easy to add functionality as your needs grow. While Wix is beginner-friendly, some advanced users might find its customization options limiting compared to more flexible platforms like WordPress. However, for most people looking to build a personal blog, portfolio, or small business site, Wix strikes a great balance between simplicity and functionality. If this video helped explain why Wix is easy to use, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.